I love this quote here. What is company culture? It's the personality of the company. It defines the environment in which employees work. Company culture includes a variety of elements, including work environment, company mission, values, ethics, expectations, and goals. And so our personality as a company was driven by my dad, right? He is gritty and tough and hardworking, and at the very essence of who we are, that is who we are. We're tough, right? We're a construction company. We survive. But our personality had shifted because of these outside forces that we had talked about. And so my dad and I started talking about, hey, what do we do to kind of create some intentionality around our culture? And so he said, well, what do you have in mind? And my answer was, I'm not sure yet, but we're going to figure it out. And so I knew he was a member of Vistage, a CEO peer group. And one of the topics that was coming up was culture. And the speaker was David Friedman, who's the author of Fundamentally Different. And so we went to this session with Vistage. We listened to David, and he had just such great content and experience. And following the speaker, we had kind of a roundtable discussion of all the CEOs and what culture meant to them. What was their environment? What was their personality of their culture? And so when it came to us and how we were going to describe our culture, we really didn't have an intentional focus on what we were doing as leaders to shape that culture. And so when we left that session, I remember standing in the parking lot with my dad, and he said, you know, Katie, I think we've got some work to do here. It's going to be a big challenge, but I think you can do it. And so that's what we did.